Hi, hello friends, how are you? Hope all are doing well. Today I come up with a new trouble regarding inverter AC outdoor unit water dripping. This trouble I am facing for quite few days. So I try to figure out what is the reason. Normally in conventional AC, what happens, the service walls around, pipelines in and outlet, liquid and gas pipelines of refrigerant will be condensed and some amount of water will be dripping. But in this case, I have found nothing. These service lines or service walls are free of condensation and there is a proper insulation around it. So I called my technician to figure out what is the issue, why the water is leaking constantly when the compressor is running. So urban company technician has come and he told your AC should be deep cleaned every 3 to 4 months, both indoor and outdoor unit. Otherwise some troubles may arise. Thus, as per his instructions or advice, I followed. I told him to do deep cleaning. He cleaned the indoor and outdoor unit with the Q machine or some high pressure machine as per their standard operating procedure. And my problem was still existing. Then finally he told you need to repair that outdoor PCB which is controlling the speed of the compressor, because in inverter ACs the compressor will not stop, only speed is controlled. The compressor will be running slow or faster as per the control from the indoor unit. Indoor unit has a separate PCB which asks or demands the required speed to the compressor. That outdoor unit card will be handling that issue. Now he told you need to repair and synchronize with the indoor unit card, and these cards will be replaced, then the trouble will be eliminated. As he said, the trouble has been eliminated after the replacement of repaired card, and finally I got my AC working fine. Hi friends, I would like to discuss about the second trouble, that is abnormal noise from my compressor. This is another machine that is not same as the previous one. This is for another room. This was giving a huge noise. I called my technician. I told him to remove the AC because this is very old. I thought the compressor has been damaged for this unit. But finally I found a squirrel gone inside and the compressor fan was damaged. Anyhow replaced. This please note, this can be also a issue for abnormal noise. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video.